My name is Elias, and for my main project I've done the J.A.R.V.I.S system on the Raspberry Pi. So this little Raspberry Pi is a mini circuit board that pretty much is a self-contained computer. It can run a basic operating system and has 4 USB ports, HDMI ports, stuff like that. And the J.A.R.V.I.S project is pretty much just trying to replicate a computer assistant, like J.A.R.V.I.S in the movie Iron Man. So to do this, they use their own program. It's a J.A.R.V.I.S program that you pretty much customize based on how you want your assistant to behave. I have gotten the program to boot and actually speak its first line. Then I run into an error that I'm going to need to sort out very soon. But right now it goes.
How can I be of service, Elias?
So, to get to this point, this was actually pretty basic in the installation process, but my hardware was giving me a lot of trouble because it just wasn't being read by the circuit board. So I had to deal with a lot of different files. So the sound system on the Raspberry Pi board is using a program called ALSA, A-L-S-A, and this had a lot of files that I needed to look through and access, and there were snippets of code that would dictate how the microphone and speakers worked. So it just took me a really long time to kind of figure out what I needed to do with what pieces of code to make it work. But I think it's working now, and that's something that I hadn't been able to do before. So for the next step, I'm going to finish sorting out the bugs and hopefully get the input into J.A.R.V.I.S working so that I can interact with it as the assistant.